dreams we made in prayer, all the life we planned to share. Now you're walking far from here, into love beyond our fear. I don't wanna say goodbye. Every tear is telling why. How am I to close my heart when your love still pulls so hard? Love that will not let me go holds me even in this pain. Though I ache with every breath, I believe we'll meet again. I will hold you in my heart, even when we're torn apart. This goodbye is not the end. I will see you once again. Journey well, my dearest friend. I will see you once again.